Welcome to this tutorial. We will help you prepare your phone for repair and calibration by adjusting some security settings. If you cannot use your broken screen, then do these steps from another phone or computer with an internet connection. First, go to iCloud.com and sign in with the broken phone's Apple ID and password. Next, tap the grid icon at the top right corner. Then tap the green Find My icon. Find the phone you are repairing in the devices list. Warning, do not tap Erase this device while on this page. Now tap the words Remove this device at the bottom. Read the alert message and then click Continue. Now enter your Apple ID password. Next, you should see a teal Ready for Repair icon with a stethoscope. And at this point, you are ready to hand the phone to the technician.